All right guys, the #1 request I get on the site is eggless breakfast options. So I've gathered some ingredients, very common. You can get these at Costco or Sam's Club. And we're gonna go on the clock and see if we can make 15 4-block breakfasts in 15 minutes. All right guys, so here we go. I'm gonna start 15 minutes, start, boom. She's ticking away. So first thing I got going here is a couple of hot pans. Get some oil going in there, some garlic. From there we're gonna go salt and pepper. And we're going turkey seasoned side down into the garlic. Boom, just like that. Season that top side like always. Okay, from there I've got 2 large onions. Those in the pan. All right, next up are our mushrooms. I'm gonna quarter these guys. Boom, shrooms are done, guys. We're gonna take a look over here. You can see this is starting to cook through on the turkey. I'm just gonna keep breaking that up. Season it a little bit here. And then we're going in with the mushrooms. Boom, 9, 43, 42, 41. So we're about 5.5 minutes in. Let's do our tomatoes. Again, we'll quarter these guys just like we did there. And these have a little bit more moisture, so that's why we're waiting. We'll get those mushrooms starting to break down. These will provide some juices at the end. But the tomatoes, you really don't have to cook that long at all. You can break them all the way down, but that's no good. So we'll just get them in there. Second with the spinach, and that'll be our finishing act. All right, guys, here we are. Mixing it up a little bit. Loving it, loving it. Tomatoes are going in. There we go, guys, we're getting there. I'm just gonna take the spinach, start laying it over the top. Watch this move, guys, watch this ninja move. Boom. Okay guys, we'll check on our time. 4, 42, 41, 40. We're getting down there, so let's take a look. The main goal is just being sure that we have our turkey cooked, right? Tomatoes are breaking down, you guys, releasing their juice, doing their thing, providing some color. All right guys, from what I can see, this is done. Bangin', bangin'. We do have some fat in here, but we're gonna rely on our fat condiments, maybe some mayo, some pesto, some gremolata to balance out the fat content here. So that's it, I'm gonna grab my PC scoop. We're gonna divvy it up. Time-wise, we got 2 minutes, 15 seconds. I'm gonna have this divvied up within 15, so stay tuned. All right, guys. Oh. Radar. You hear that? Boom, alarm. So what happened was we went for 16, 16 didn't work. The original estimate was spot on with 15. We're gonna steal from a couple of these to finish our last guy. Boom, boom, boom. Some of these are a little more colorful than others. Some have a little bit more juice, but you know, overall, I'm happy, right? Instead of 15 minutes one morning for one breakfast, why not 15 minutes one morning for 15 breakfasts? So this isn't completely balanced. We need a little bit more fat and some carbs, but what I would rely on is fruit for your carbs and probably some mayo for your fat. Eggs, they work, you know? We get sick of them, and variety is the spice of life. So this is just something that'll maybe help you out. Mix this up with other things. Don't eat this every day for 15 days, okay? But that's about it, you guys. Plain, simple. Set up a kitchen in your garage. 30,000 BTUs, baby. You can crank some food out. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to keep it paleo.